Welcome to this session from the Skilled MBA Case Study Series, where we explore strategic pivots in AI and manufacturing. Today's case examines how two companies, Guidewheel and Scale AI, navigated critical shifts in their business models to adapt to market realities and drive long-term growth. How did Guidewheel evolve from an energy-focused startup to a factory productivity powerhouse? How did Scale AI shift from autonomous vehicle data to enterprise AI and large language models, LLMs? By analyzing their strategic decision-making, we uncover valuable lessons for business adaptability and market positioning. Let's begin. Guidewheel was co-founded by Lauren Dunford with a vision to drive energy sustainability in Kenya. Initial focus: developed power monitoring technology for factories, aimed to reduce energy waste and promote sustainable manufacturing. Early challenges: struggled with product-market fit. Factories were more concerned with efficiency than energy savings. Revenue model difficulties: monetizing energy savings proved complex. These challenges prompted a major strategic pivot. Guidewheel's breakthrough came when they discovered a hidden strength in their technology. Key insight: the system tracked the electrical heartbeat of factory equipment. This data could be used to enhance overall productivity, not just energy efficiency. Strategic pivot: shifted focus from energy monitoring to real-time factory floor productivity enhancement, targeted manufacturing efficiency improvements, opening up a larger market opportunity. This pivot redefined Guidewheel's value proposition and growth trajectory. Strengths: strong leadership with a proven ability to pivot. Innovative real-time monitoring technology. Weaknesses: early market adoption challenges, ongoing business model refinements. Opportunities: growing demand for factory optimization and digital transformation. Threats: established competitors in industrial automation. Economic uncertainty in the manufacturing sector. By addressing these factors, Guidewheel positioned itself for scalable growth. Guidewheel had to balance its original sustainability mission with evolving market demands. Sustainability mission: initially focused on reducing energy waste and environmental impact. Market demands: factory owners prioritized efficiency and operational improvements over sustainability. Strategic balance: integrated sustainability benefits within a productivity-driven business model. Outcome: Guidewheel maintained its environmental impact while becoming a profitable industrial solution. To ensure long-term scalability, Guidewheel considered three strategies. 1. Double down on productivity focus, entirely on factory efficiency solutions. 2. Expand energy efficiency offerings, maintain energy monitoring as a secondary feature. 3. Form strategic partnerships. Collaborate with industrial equipment providers to accelerate adoption. Each option had trade-offs in scalability, profitability, and competitive positioning. 1. Adaptability is essential. Startups must continuously refine product-market fit through iterative learning. 2. Balance mission with market needs. Align impact-driven goals with financial viability and customer demand. 3. Customer discovery is ongoing. Validate assumptions with real user feedback at every stage. 4. Strategic focus drives growth. Companies scale by doubling down on their core value proposition. These lessons highlight the importance of strategic agility in early-stage businesses. Scale AI emerged as a pioneer in data labeling for autonomous vehicles, AVs. Early strengths: built a strong reputation in AI and machine learning, focused on high-quality labeled datasets for AV development. Market challenges: AV industry consolidation, mergers and acquisitions, slowed demand for labeled data. Advances in AI simulations reduce the need for real-world data labeling. These industry shifts forced Scale AI to rethink its strategy. To remain competitive, Scale AI explored 4 strategic options. 1. Double down on AV data, leverage existing expertise, but face limited growth potential. 2. Expand into enterprise AI, develop AI solutions for finance, healthcare, and retail. 3. Secure federal contracts, work with government agencies on large-scale AI initiatives. 4. Pivot to generative AI and LLMs, capitalize on high-growth generative AI applications. Each choice involved different risks and opportunities. Scale AI initially built its reputation in AI data labeling for autonomous vehicles, AVs. However, the industry landscape changed, creating new challenges. 1. AV market consolidation. Mergers and acquisitions slowed growth in the autonomous vehicle sector, reducing demand for labeled data. 2. Simulation advancements. New AI-driven simulations reduced reliance on real-world data collection. 3. Competitive pressure. Tech giants and startups flooded the AI market, increasing pricing and innovation challenges. 4. Market uncertainty. Emerging AI applications had unproven business models, requiring a strategic rethink. To sustain growth, Scale AI needed a strategic pivot. Scale AI had 4 key options to maintain competitiveness. 1. Double down on AV data, leverage existing expertise in autonomous vehicle data labeling. Risk: limited growth potential due to industry consolidation. 2. Expand to enterprise AI, develop AI solutions for finance, healthcare, and retail. Risk: highly competitive market with established players. 3. Pursue federal contracts. Secure large-scale government AI projects to ensure stability. Risk: bureaucratic challenges and long sales cycles. 4. Pivot to generative AI and LLMs. Focus on high-growth generative AI markets. Risk: high R&D costs and potential market saturation. Each option involved different risks and trade-offs. Strengths: established reputation in AI data labeling, strong technical expertise in machine learning and automation. Weaknesses: slower growth in AV-related business, uncertainty in new AI markets. Opportunities: expansion into high-growth generative AI and enterprise AI markets. Securing government AI contracts for stability. Threats: competition from big tech giants in the AI space. Ethical and regulatory challenges in AI development. Scale AI's pivot allowed it to leverage its core strengths while entering a promising market. From the Scale AI and Guidewheel case studies, we can identify 4 critical business concepts that drive successful pivots. 1. Product market fit is dynamic, not static. A company's initial business model may not always align with market needs. Both Scale AI and Guidewheel adapted based on real customer demand, moving beyond their original visions. 2. Strategic pivots require resource reallocation. Shifting business focus means adjusting financial investments, R&D priorities, and market positioning. Scale AI redirected efforts from AV data to generative AI, while Guidewheel repurposed its technology for manufacturing productivity. 3. Industry shifts create new opportunities. Companies must anticipate and react to emerging market trends. Generative AI and LLMs emerged as high-growth sectors, while factory automation gained traction due to digital transformation in manufacturing. 4. Leadership agility is crucial. Founders and executives must embrace change rather than resist it. Both companies identified new market demands early and executed strategic pivots effectively. Successful companies are those that listen to the market, allocate resources strategically, and pivot decisively when new opportunities arise. Both companies faced critical decisions about which markets to pursue. Scale AI's pivot to LLMs and generative AI entered a high-growth but competitive AI space, required significant R&D investment, but had massive market potential. Guidewheel's pivot to factory productivity adapted existing technology for a new market need, focused on ROI-driven efficiency rather than sustainability messaging. These pivots highlight the importance of strategic focus and market alignment. 1. Product-market fit requires continuous adjustment. Companies must pivot based on real customer needs. 2. Strategic pivots are necessary for long-term success. Market conditions change. Businesses must adapt to survive and grow. 3. Resource allocation is critical. Balancing investment in existing and new opportunities is key. 4. Mission alignment must be maintained. Even when pivoting, companies must stay true to their core strengths and vision. These lessons apply to all businesses navigating industry disruptions. Thank you for joining this session of the Skilled MBA Case Study Series. We now open the floor for questions and discussion.